Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for January 13th to 27th. Changes are coming, which I've been talking about for the last week, and you'll see that as I go through the forecast period. This is for January 13th to 17th, and we have a strong ridge over the Northeast Pacific, trough in the west, and a ridge over the Gulf of Mexico and off the southeast coast. Now, we'll have a system moving through. I'm going to go to the maps. We'll be going through southern Canada, and this will move into the to the Canadian Maritimes by Friday. We'll go to Friday, forward ahead. His system here. Right here, you can see it over the Northeast, and this will be followed by an Arctic air mass that will spill southward through the Northwest, Central, and Eastern U.S. in the wake of the passage, and this will offer a threat for snow across the northern tier of the Central and Eastern U.S., and you can see it right there. That's the GFS, and the trough will be reinforced by Eastern Pacific energy that will keep portions of the West unsettled. And we'll go back and we'll look at the maps here. You can see one system moving into the west on Sunday, then we'll be followed by another one, then another one by Tuesday. It seems like a never-ending barrage of storms. Here comes another one on Thursday, and so forth. So it'll remain unsettled, and we'll have rain and mountain snows, which some of the lower elevations can experience the snow also. And a front will cause heavy rain across the lower Mississippi Valley and into the southeast. You see the map right here. Okay, we're going to look at the period for January 18th to 22nd. And the pattern is expected to change as there are signs of a ridge across the Northeast Pacific to start to weaken, and the southern jet changes, and the flow will transition to near zonal flow. You can look at it right here on this map. And this will occur as the Northeast Pacific ridge weakens due to height rises across Alaska and the Bering Sea. The southeast ridge is expected to be suppressed to the south or almost gone. You can see it here on this map. You can see a little bit shown here across the Yucatan into the Caribbean. So that will be the extent of that. And then for this forecast period, I'm forecasting. Let me go to the maps. Below normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the southeast, with anomalies near 2 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the west, east of the Mississippi Valley. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation for the southern plains, probability of occurrence of 35%. Now, as we go to the end of the period, this is for the 23rd to the 27th, and you can see the pattern kind of changes, and we'll have a trough over the eastern Pacific, ridge slides across Alaska into the Bering Sea, a ridge is forecast over the southwest, with the cyclonic flow across the east central states, and heights will remain below normal across Greenland. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal, and then we have below normal temperatures for much of this area here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the Northwest and from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. The probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 13th to 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.